Hey, how you doing? So just a quick little update and housekeeping video on a few things moving forward with the channel. So first up on the agenda, I now have a website. Well, a blog. Nearly every single time I upload a new video, I have at least one or two people asking me if I have my schematics online anywhere. Well, I never have, until now. So if you follow the link down below, then you'll find a heap of schematics along with the hows and whys of each circuit. I still have to upload a few more schematics and do some write-ups, but I think there's enough in there to keep a few people interested for now. So next up on the agenda, I've decided to offload the hows and whys of each circuit from my YouTube videos to the website mentioned before. That way, anyone who is interested can just find the relevant schematic and then read it along at their own pace. Because let's be real, my explanations of how a circuit works is a bit boring and does drag on a bit. At this stage, Moritz Klein, who you should definitely check out up here, is basically crushing it when it comes to the synth DIY tutorial videos. And I think my style was a bit more vloggy with some fun gags thrown in. So I'm just going to focus on what a certain module is and does, and how we can use it in a larger patch. Alright, and our third item on the agenda. I now have a big bag of knobs. You've probably noticed the Elk Elektronik shirt that I've been wearing in my past few videos, and maybe you're wondering who and what it actually is. Ed, a lovely gentleman and absolute legend, is an electronic engineer / synth and keyboard repairman based in Wollongong, just a bit south of Sydney, running under the name Elk Elektronik. So if you're based in the area, definitely go give him some support if you need some love given to instruments and equipment. A few months back, I managed to win, well, my girlfriend won for me, this massive push, turn and move book, along with the shirt, ran through an Instagram competition ran by Ed. And since then, we've basically just stayed in contact talking about various synth tidbits. And I was even part of a synth livestream a few weeks ago, which you can also find in the description and pinned comment. But last week, he gave me the very generous offer of 200 of these knobs for the beast, so I can, well, knob it up. I've kind of liked the knobless look for a while, more as an economic choice, but it'll be great to finally have a bit of an indication of what every module was actually set to. So without further ado, let's get the machine knobbed and looking nice. This is looking so much better now. Okay, so final item on the agenda. I'm finally playing live shows. A few weekends ago, I was asked to play a set for the Castlemaine Electronic Workshop, whose links you can also find down below, where I ran through 3 patches in about 40 minutes. I had a few hiccups like my filter getting all crackly and some levels being a bit out of whack. But all in all, it was a pretty successful first show, and people seemed to be pretty into it. And then this coming Saturday, I'm also playing a 1.5 hour set from about 5 till 6:30 at Her Bar in Windsor, Melbourne, along with a heap of other artists and DJs. And I've got a few jams up my sleeve that I'm pumped as hell to play live. Again, links are below for tickets and info. If you live in the city, come on down for a fun night of techno, electro, psytrance and drum and bass. Alright, that's it for today's video. Until next time, I'll see you later.